The Clarity Act is going to change Bitcoin forever. We have bipartisan discussions are now underway on Capitol Hill today over ethics language in the Clarity Act, a key issue that could shape Bitcoin. For the Bitcoin whales have stopped selling. We have seen consistent spot ETF inflows for the past several weeks. And this is a change in momentum of these sellers, of these manipulators that were keeping the price of Bitcoin down. Now, these spot Bitcoin ETFs, people are using options to create synthetic Bitcoin, which they are able to essentially leverage up to 100x or to 1000x these Bitcoin spot ETFs. But that selling pressure is calming down. We are starting to see consistent buying pressure, and this is quite insane. We have had many weeks, many months actually, a couple of months of downtrend in these spot Bitcoin ETFs. And they have caused the majority of the selling pressure in the market. Now, if we pull up this Coinbase Premium indicator, we can see that we've truly have had negative Coinbase Premium for the past couple of months, but this is about to flip positive. If this flips positive, which will likely happen if Bitcoin can get a clean break above 67,000, which is a clear resistance for Bitcoin, and also the previous range high. If we can flip this level here, I think we are going to get that Coinbase Premium to flip positive. Now, the crazy thing about it is when Coinbase Premium flips positive, consistently flips positive, which is something that it did exactly right here. When Bitcoin was at 65,000, pumped all the way to 83,000 when we got consistent Coinbase Premium positive on Coinbase. This is the sign of institutional demand. And this is institutional selling. You see these negative outflows for the Bitcoin spot ETFs, which we are in a bear market, but the bear market is soon ending. It's possible that the bottom is in. Now, these spot ETFs are beginning to lose their power to sell. They're beginning to get weakened because you could see that we had the biggest outflows in January, February, and now we've come a bit lower. But guess what? The ETF outflows have actually gotten less. And we are starting to see that these sellers are getting exhausted. And this is something that you see at a bottom. This could send us up to maybe 85K, 100K. Bitcoin could do that here in the short term while everybody is expecting another leg lower, 30K, 40K. The majority of people are waiting for lower. But we have also potential rate cuts coming with the recent CPI data, the PPI data last week. The market stopped pricing in rate hikes. And if inflation continues to come down, which it's likely, especially if they can keep oil down, which is down 40%, inflation is going to keep coming down and the Fed's going to start betting on a rate cut, which would be very bullish for Bitcoin. But look at this. Treasury Secretary Besant says the Crypto Clarity Act is at the 1 yard line and calls for Congress to pass it. So we are also getting close to this Clarity Act getting done, which is the next major catalyst for the entire crypto market. The Clarity Act is going to unlock trillions of dollars directly to flow into crypto immediately through banks and institutions, which will be able to offer Bitcoin and cryptos to their clients. So this is another major catalyst. Which is also quite interesting is that the last bear market bottom was the World Cup. And we are seeing that now. It's quite interesting. So the spot ETFs are beginning to flip net buyers. And we need to see this consistently. But look at this. If we get a true bull market in late 2027 in the scale of 2017 or 2021, Bitcoin would reach $500,000 to $1 million. What do you guys think about that? Look at this. $250 billion has been added to the crypto market in July. Bitcoin is up 15%. Ethereum is up 24%. Summer pump is officially here. And as well, this is another very bullish indication. The Bitcoin flipping the daily super trend is bullish on the daily time frame. This is not the 1 hour. This is the daily time frame. And this indicator has been flipped bullish on the daily time frame, which is a very bullish sign, and it's happening right now. We are also seeing more Americans own Bitcoin. 18% of Americans own Bitcoin. There is a lot going on, but ultimately, guys, if Bitcoin can flip this 67K level, I think Bitcoin has a chance to test 75, 80K, possibly 83 or above. Watch for this flip of $67,000 as support, and you're going to see crypto start to go absolutely crazy, including Bitcoin. It's going to get very exciting. All the indicators are flipping bullish. My indicator on the daily time frame has already flipped bullish since the 9th of July. It's been over 10 days already, and we're continuing to push up. All of these zips are getting eaten up. This is a very bullish sign. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I will see you later.